Maraming salamat po sa pagbalik nyo dito sa Kababayan Today. It's a very special show. We are taking your calls and you can call us at 1-800-553-5724. Kasama natin si Attorney Allison Aquino-Silva to talk about this immigration issue that President Obama recently announced. Kasama natin sa telepono si Kathy from Los Angeles. Kathy, are you there?
Yes, I am here.
Ano pong tanong nyo?
Magandang hapon po.
Magandang hapon din po sa inyo. Ano pong tanong nyo para sa ating attorney ngayon?
Kasi po, ay nandito po ako sa America since 1994. Tapos din meron din po akong mga anak na citizen. Kasama ko po sila 3.
Okay.
Ang tanong ko po sabi po, qualified daw po ako magkaroon ng working permit or green card.
Precisely, yes. It sounds as if you will be able to benefit from the DAPA program that's about to start. So because of the fact that you do have children who are U.S. citizens and you have been here since before 2010 to the present date, you will be eligible to apply for Deferred Action or the DAPA program. And so under the DAPA program, what individuals will be given is this authorization to remain in the United States. So at least you are not fearful of being deported. But more importantly, or just as importantly, is the ability to obtain a work permit. And so when the program does start, that will be part of the application process, is submitting an application for a work permit. Right now, the indication is that the deferred action status, as well as the work permit, will be granted for a period of 3 years.
Okay. All right. Congratulations, Kathy. You qualify under the DAPA program. All right. Okay, so let's talk again about the expansion of the DACA program. Before I cut you off, we had another caller. Let's talk about this. What does that entail?
So the expansion of the DACA program, the DACA program, or the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, that was started back in 2012. And essentially, as I was indicating, it's for those who were brought to the United States as young children. And so they've grown up here in the United States. They obviously have assimilated to life here in the U.S. And so the president recognizes that it's rather unfair to prevent individuals who are really part of the U.S. society from becoming truly a part of our society.
And in the old program, I know that there was a cap on the age of 31. Has that changed?
Exactly. So in the old program, you had to be under 31 in order to qualify. So in the expanded program, it no longer matters what your current age is, as long as when you entered the U.S., it was before the age of 16. The second change that's taking place under DACA is that it changed the date in which you needed to have been in the United States.
And what is that date?
So the new date is that you must be in the U.S. on or before January 1, 2010, up until the present time.
All right. Okay, we have Walter on the line calling us here on Kababayan Today. Hello, Walter.
Hi, hello, Giselle.
Maraming salamat sa pagtawag mo dito sa amin, dito sa Kababayan Today. Ano pong tanong nyo para sa ating attorney na nandito, si Attorney Alley?
Attorney Alley, my question is, nakapag-asawa ako dito, dumating ako ng September 2000. Nagkaroon kami ng 2 anak, they're both citizen. Qualified ba ako sa kayong wife ko? Program?
It's a good question. It does sound as if you will be qualified to take advantage of the DAPA program. And one thing that I didn't emphasize before is that amongst other qualifications of having the child, of having a U.S. citizen or green card holder child and the continuous residence, and in his case, he was here before 2010, so it sounds like he qualifies. But naturally, there are going to be other additional things like background checks. And so individuals do need to recognize, there are certain restrictions. So the background checks are going to disqualify individuals, say, with a felony conviction, a significant misdemeanor, multiple misdemeanors. And one thing that is made clear is that it's also meant to be expansive of a program. So certain people will not qualify, such as those who are a threat to our national security
that we went
or our
over.
safety. But it's meant to be broad, like I said, so it will apply to individuals, say, or presumably will apply to individuals who have been or who have already been ordered deported from the United States. Presumably, it will apply to individuals who are currently facing deportation proceedings, or individuals who may have previously been granted voluntary departure. And so many people will qualify. The first and foremost is that you have to be a parent.
Okay, I hope that answers your question, Walter. We're going to go to break, but if you're watching us and you have questions regarding President Obama's executive decision on immigration recently, please call us at 1-800-553-5724. Kasama natin from Aquino and Loew, si Attorney Allison Aquino-Silva para sagutin ang inyong mga tanong. So please call us. Once again, the number is 1-800-553-5724. All right, we'll be right back here on Kababayan Today.